Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping with Ian, and this is part one of probably two parts. Don't think it'll go to three. No, two parts. So, well, what am I up to? I'm making a journal, a Dragonfly Dreams journal, I'm going to call it. Love dragonflies, and it means I can use this lovely bundle from Stamping Up, the Dragonfly Garden, which comes with a punch and a stamp set. Save 10% when you buy them together. Okay, and I'm pairing it with some other items. Now then, I'm using a Dragonfly journal set from Victoria Designs. It's going to be A5 size. This is the cover. This is the Stamping Up Thick Very Vanilla, and that's going to be the front cover, kind of roughly like that, and then that gets let me open that up. That gets cut and folded over. Okay, and the back will be this piece here. So like that, and then once again cut and fold it over. So that's the cover. Inside there's going to be a series of pages. These are the pages from Victoria Design. So there's some leisure pages going in. There's some graphic pages going in. I mean, these are really, really beautiful. They've all been sponged on the edges. Okay, these pages, these are from Victoria Designs as well. This is like a soft grunge collection of paper that she does, and what I've done is I've sponged around all the edges. Oops, that's one. That's two, sorry. And then I've stamped inside. You are an inspiration. So they kind of alternate, kind of thing, to provide a bit of variety. How many of those is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, and these will kind of be all mixed up together, you know, kind of alternate, yeah. I couldn't have done these without my scan and cut. Love my scan and cut to bits. There's only 3 there, there should be 4. I dare say, oh, there it is, there you go, there are tags. Okay, various bits of ephemera, which the scan and cut has chopped out for me. Lovely. I've got some spares. These I won't be using in this journal, they'll be for another journal. But yeah, so my scan and cut has cut all these out for me, and some extra bits of ephemera there as well. The next item that's going to go in the journal is from Artie Mays, who's also done a Dragonfly. It's a Dragonfly Traveller's Notebook, so I've just taken some bits from that. So I've got some pockets. I've got 8 pockets here, which I'm going to add to this. Beautiful. And I've got some pages. How many pages have I got here? 4. So these are double-sided, and once again, these are pre-sponged, so I've not had to sponge these. But really, really beautiful paper. And they're also upside down. That's more like it. So I've got those to go in as well. I've got some flowers to go in. These are from a book I got from a charity shop. So I've sponged the edges once again. And the book was, where's the book? you go. See the concise British flora in colour. I need to find another one of these, I think. But yeah, so I don't like tearing books up, but I'm trying to justify it by saying it's being repurposed, which it is in a way. So is that going in? What else is going in? Envelopes with ephemera in. Now I've used the Dragonfly 6x6 paper to make these envelopes, and you can see inside various bits of ephemera are in them, and these will be scattered throughout the journal as well. I've used my punch, Stampin' Up punch, for these gorgeous dragonflies, which will be probably scattered on the cover. There we go. Or kind of rounded about inside the journal. Yeah, can you see those? Beautiful. So that's what I'm up to. The next job, which will be covered in the next video, I'll be creating the I'll be creating the cover. That'll be done off camera. Off camera will be the assembling of the signature. Okay, well, I'll sort out which pages are going where. And then on video, there'll be the stitching of the signature and the various bits of embellishments and ephemera, which I'll find homes for throughout the journal, as well as the beautiful dragonflies there. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and look out for part 2. So whatever you're doing today, I was hoping you have a lovely time, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye now.